I feel. So my name is Omar, and yes, I do speak English out of the school. I speak it sometimes at work, when someone is traveling and they just visit Denmark or something. I usually speak English with them. Otherwise, if I know another language that they also speak, I speak that one. In what situations? Well, that one at work, and sometimes when I'm in Germany, I also speak it, because my German isn't that great yet. And with whom? Just with people. There isn't any specific kind of person or something. Or actually, yes, I do it with my sister actually sometimes. Do you enjoy working with the English family? Yes, personally, yes, I do. I think it's very interesting how a language is used. So yes, I do. Which elements do you enjoy the most? I usually like working in pairs instead of groups, and I like working on digital exercises. And the genres that I like is I like personally fiction, working with fiction, and reading, writing, and speaking. I personally like writing and also speaking, some kind of combination of those two. And then text analysis. I really like working with grammar because I think I'm good at it, or that's what I think at least. And then also I would like to work with text analysis, since that's one of my weak points. Is there any specific exercise? Well, yes, there is. I think that one exercise that I like is when you go around the class and speak with each other, or speaking of some kind of subject that the teacher chooses. I think that it really helps a person to understand the language and also use it when you use it with other people, and you kind of expect them to speak that language and don't mix it with Danish or something else. In what way is English? Well, English is a language, it's a lingua franca, I say, because it's used in nearly every single country. You just kind of expect them to speak English. So if you don't know the language of that country, you just speak English. That's what you think, at least. So therefore, that's important for me. Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching.